everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can translate WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. So just to get started, just go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application. So here what you have to do is select any of the messages that you want to send message. For instance, I choose this person, and here on the message box I just write something. So now what we gotta do in order to translate is just select the message. So here you can see near lookup sign there is a arrow sign. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll get the other two options too, which is translate and search wave. So now here you got the option translate. In order to translate, go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, the message that you have sent is automatically translated in Italian. That is because I have set my translation to Italian. So you can just change the language by tapping on Italian, and many languages will be available on there. Once you do that, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.